This might be the best transformation that you've ever seen from one of our guys who's gone through Rebuild, which is my signature one-to-one elite tier program to get guys in the best shape of their life, both physically and mentally. Okay, so this is Kyle. He came on board Rebuild just over 6 months ago, and this is the transformation he was able to go through using our proven Rebuild system. So let's get into it. This was Kyle when he first came on board. Okay, this was his initial front shot and side shot. As you can see, he kind of let his standards slip. Life got in the way. Now with Kyle, he was always known by his friends and his family as the gym guy, but he was going through a few personal problems, work was busy, had a kid, all that kind of stuff, and as you can see, the body fat pounded on quite quickly and left him in a position where he just wasn't feeling himself. So he was 5 stone overweight, his confidence was completely shattered, he was in a poor place mentally, his energy was gone, he was lacking purpose, and he just felt like he wasn't tapping into his potential. And there's nothing worse than that, guys. I've been there before, and it's not a nice feeling. So what did he do? He accepted that he couldn't do this on his own. He tried and tried and tried again. He was showing up to the gym pretty inconsistently. He would diet maybe Monday to Friday and then undo all his work at the weekend, and he was just stuck in this cycle where he didn't have self-belief because he kept trying and he kept failing. So what did we do? And this is what we do with every client that joins the Rebuild. We start off with a full lifestyle assessment. Okay, we get as much information as possible about his current energy, his goals, you know, how much he's sleeping, all this kind of stuff. We find out as much information as possible so I can see kind of what's going wrong, and we can go from there and we can plug in the gaps. After that, what we did is something called an assessment week. So we have a look into his nutrition in detail, we see how much he's moving, we see how his body's responding to that, what his training's looking like, all that kind of stuff, which is super important because again, we can see what's going wrong, but we can also see the targets that we need to set to get him winning very, very quickly from the off. Okay, then what we did is we installed a clear physique roadmap. Now this is a must for every single guy out there, so we can make sure that you're clear on the next steps, you know exactly how long you need to be in each phase for, and this increases obviously your buy-in. When you've got clarity, you know what your future is going to look like. So for him, it looked a little bit like this. Bit of a dieting phase, had a bit of a diet break there, you know, we pulled off some fat in a moderate deficit, and then we went into a bit of a rapid fat loss phase. Then he had another little diet break, which was important because after a while of dieting, it gets boring, do you know what I mean? And it's important that, you know, you have a little break from the deficit as your body adjusts, as the metabolic adaptation kicks in, so we can make sure that we're ripping off the body fat effectively. And then we decided, you know what, let's book in a photo shoot so you've got a big goal to work towards and we can blow people's minds with what we achieve. He had like a holiday or two in the middle of that, which was absolutely fine. We worked it in, and then we did a bit of a peek before his photo shoot. Now we're tidying up a little bit more just to get a little bit leaner because he wants to take it even further, and then we're going to go into the reverse diet and a muscle building phase, and then we're going to transition into another diet ready for next summer so we can look even better, more muscle and even leaner. So we had a clear physique roadmap at all times. He knew exactly what he was supposed to be doing, he knew what he had coming up, I knew what he had coming up, and we could work around it together. Okay, super important. And then we installed a simple nutrition framework, which again we use with all the guys. Very simple, but it allows him to be consistent even when life's stressful. He works long hours, he's got kids, you know, he's got a lot going on. He needed a simple nutrition framework that was proven to work every single week, to rip off the body fat every single week whilst maintaining his muscle, while keeping his energy super high, performing at his best, all that kind of stuff. Okay, and then we made sure with his programming, because he's a busy guy, right, works a lot of hours, family man, all that kind of stuff, that we made sure that we built his programming around what he could do. So it was actually less than what he was used to. We made sure that he was training just 3 times a week. Okay, 3 times a week, so he wasn't coming out of the gym feeling beaten up all the time. He could progress his lifts, he could maintain his muscle, all that kind of stuff, right? And yeah, we didn't have any junk volume in there. We just made sure the movements that he did, you know, the time spent in the gym got him the most bang for his buck. So he actually ended up doing less than what he was doing beforehand, but getting a better result. Not only that, we were mindset coaching him every step of the way. We'd have a weekly check-in to make sure that, you know, we were making sure that he was flying, we were overcoming any obstacles together, we were answering his questions, we were keeping him focused, and just making sure his mind was in a good place. He also had daily non-negotiables that he knew, if I follow these, I'm going to be absolutely winning. So he knew exactly what he needed to do day in and day out, and obviously a high level of accountability to keep his standards nice and high, to make sure he wasn't coasting, to make sure that we were pushing him and he wasn't going back to old habits. What happens when you get that locked in? Bang. This is the kind of result, okay? Absolutely insane. Lost 5 stone, mojo back, started feeling really, really confident, you know, feeling at his all-time best, feeling like he was tapping into his potential, mental health back in a good place. The smile says it all. He's in the best condition of his life, and we're only going to keep improving together. So guys, if you want to go through a transformation like this, we can make it happen. This is a proven blueprint. I've helped hundreds of guys go through this exact process. And let me tell you this, I built this program around all the obstacles, all the challenges, all the problems that I went through to get to where I am today. So I know it works. It's helped hundreds of people, it's helped myself, and it can work for you as well. All you need to do, if this is something that you want to get involved in, is hit the link in the description and I will walk you through the next steps.